Hi guys, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, I want to show you one of my favorite printers. It's actually not even a real printer, it's a kind of a virtual printer. It's only found in Darkroom Pro, so if you're using Darkroom Core, you're not going to have this available. Just so you can see some of the differences between Core and Pro and why you might have Pro over Core. But the printer I'm talking about is the Raster printer. You can see I have a few printers set up right here. I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to have it output to the 6x8 folder right here, just so you can see how it works. Now, before we do that, I want to kind of give a scenario. Let's say you have your normal printer set up and for some reason the printer stops functioning and you now need to take all your work and have it printed at a lab. So using the Raster printer, all you have to do is turn off, let's say, your DX100 and then turn on your Raster printer for those sizes, and then all the files would output to that folder, cropped, ready to go, and you just tell your lab, print me one 8x10 of everything inside this folder, one 4x6 of everything inside this folder. So let's set that up, and I'm going to show you some of the options that you have. One of the differences we have between Core and Pro is the list of printers. So you can see a lot of these are your big photo lab printers. So your photo labs, this is the software they're using to actually manage their workflow. But the guy we're talking about is this guy right here, the Raster image printer. And we're going to scroll down until we get to 6x8 right there. And I'm going to set my output folder. Let's see. And I want it to be JPEG. And this is pretty neat. You can use variables in the file naming structure. So if you wanted to include the order, number, and let's say the size, we can include those, and that's all helpful information that maybe gets printed to the back of the print when you send it to the lab. So this is good for staying organized. And then what we'll do is click OK. And that printer is set up. You can see I already have 4x6, 8x10, and 5x7. Let's switch over to our photo library and see if it works. We'll just drag an image right over here and select 6x8 and then place the order, and I can see it right here. And if I had auto print checked, it would have automatically sent to this folder. But if I open that folder up, there's my order number with the image size. I probably should have put some sort of divider in there so we can see that it's a 6x8. But that is the Raster printer. It's very cool. In the next few videos, I will be trying to go over some of the differences between Core and Pro to help you make your decision on whether Pro is right for you or when it's time to upgrade to Pro. Typically it's when you're expanding and working with multiple computers in a server client setup, but this is a little gem only in Pro, and I'll have a few more videos coming out just like that. Thanks a bunch. I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It allows other users to find videos like this, and hopefully it makes their lives just a little easier as this has for you. Please consider subscribing or watching one of these other videos that YouTube thinks you might like. I'll see you next time.